dear friends, Santosh here. How are you all? I hope you all are good and healthy. Today we discuss socio-religious and religious revolution of 6th century BC. Okay, socio-religious and religious revolution. First we discuss socio-religious. Okay, first point, population demand, traders and middle class. Society is very progressive, that's why new demand there. Third point, religious places create new demands. In 6th century BC, king want to become a powerful more. They want more and more powers. That's why political Janpat plus Janpat become Mahajanpat. Reason behind their ambition of king. He wanted to become a more superior, more power they want. Second point, control over resources. Third point, administrative, military, soldiers. Use of human resources. Human resources use in support to king, administrative officers, military officers, salary and technological development. Military, soldiers, economic development, social progressive society, human resources. If population is not more, how if population is not more now, they come military and administrator also because they don't believe in religious orthodoxy. If they consider religious, then economic development can't increases. Okay, economic and social is an supportive elements there that time that deficient many type of symbol. First one, Mahashrishti, head of big guilds. Second point, Satvaha had all guilds going for a trade only in one leadership. In this period, we know about the 18 guilds. In this period, some new port cities developed. Bharukacha port, it is called Bhirukacha in Sanskrit. Present name Bharuch. Second, Sopara, it's in Maharashtra. Third point, Tamralipti, it's in Bengal. Gandhar and Kamboj, famous for horse trade. In Bhavri Jatak, we know about the trade of peacock and cock. Okay friends, now we discuss in simple words. Administration system supported to trade activity on the basis development of capital security in state, on the basis of revenue collection through economic activities, as well as supported to socio and religious activity. Also because in later Vedic period, the started a orthodoxy system, it was promoted a sacrifice system at large level. In this condition, create specific demand of goods it from an urban sector, and there are many different things there. It was originated as a revolution, main reason for behind the socio-religious condition in which economic and administration sector played an important role. Okay, religious revolution, socio-religious event. First, social condition responsible, discrimination, Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishyas, that time bad situation, Shudra, untouchable. Second point, wrong policy and bad policy ban on Vaishya classes. Okay, religious conditions, orthodoxy. First point, complex tradition. Third point, complex philosophy. Fourth point, language. Fifth point, sacrifice. This all are spreading very fast in that time. Okay, now we discuss in simple words. Okay, in later Vedic period, socio-religious conditions were very complex, especially social conditions like birth-based Varna system, conflict between Brahman and Kshatriya. Judiciary system was based on Varna system, not given the respect of Vaishya classes. It was a single producer and taxpayer, as well as in the disparity-based system as Shudra classes. In this ambition, social tension created. At religious level, there were many complexities. Second point, orthodox rituals there, complex moksha system there, complex worship system there, complex rules and regulation there, complex language there. whenever public wanted to simple religious and economic sector also having this type of problem, and some conditions were contradictory. One side, discovery of iron permit in economic activities. On other hand, orthodoxy affect the sacrifice activity. Both elements were opposite to each other, and West classes want to stop orthodoxy activities. Okay. At the political level, Brahman and Kshatriya were at the political struggle. Main object was to control over production, so that Kshatriya class given support to religious sector. At this time, religious personality promoted because they they implemented some same system according to public welfare. First point, idealistic republican system. Second point, housing system. Third point, simple philosophy. They adopted a folk language with new reason. Finally, we can say contemporary social religious movement and stop the social orthodoxy and present a new ideology for future, and in future reform the Brahman religion. It's called reestablish for Brahman. Okay friends, thank you very much for seeing my video. Okay, bye bye, see you again in my next video. Okay, bye.